Hello everyone, I am Brian. Thanks for joining me for another video on my Fluid Art channel. Today I'm going to do a quick pour. It is a sandwich pour. I love this pour because it gives that marbling effect. It really comes out just very ethereal looking. So I did a painting a couple of weeks ago, so I'm going to use this. I had some leftover paints of that painting, so I'm going to use those same colors. Very excited about it. I think it's going to really pop with this. Let's get down the canvas and let's get to painting. Be right back. Okay, so what I've got is a little 16 by 20 gallery wrap canvas, taped pushed in the back. It's actually a repurposed canvas because I didn't like what was on it. So I painted my entire canvas with a titanium white, because that is the base color that I'm going to be using. So, of course, I've got Amsterdam titanium white. I have Amsterdam in the yellowish green, or greenish yellow, excuse me. I've got Pebeos in the yellow orange. DecoArt 24 karat gold. Phthalo green from Arteza. I love phthalo green. And greenish blue. And greenish blue from Amsterdam. My pouring medium is mixed pour and a little bit of water. All right, so the trick to doing a sandwich pour is you want to put a nice layer of the white at the bottom. And then you want to start layering your cup. Some people will put in like a little bit of drips from the stick. I'm gonna pour in layers. Love greenish blue. So now we're gonna layer on another layer of paint right on top of everything, covering up all those layers, color. Now we're gonna do it again. This time we're gonna do reverse order. I only need about 11 ounces of paint in this cup. And this is a 16-ounce cup, so I don't need to fill it up all the way. little layer over top of all that again. So real quick, I'm gonna take what white I have left and thin it down just a little bit. So I'm going to use that as my base coat. All right, I got air bubbles in this, but that's okay. I'll pop them after I get to finish tilting. So I'm gonna tilt right here, and then I'm gonna drag my cup through. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let this sit for just a few moments. It's starting to ooze out, you can see it. I'm gonna lift up my cup and just kind of drag it around. Oh, this is going to be great. All right, so where do I want to go over first? Since the weight of my paint is mostly here, there is some there, but I think what I'm doing is I'm going to go off this direction first since the weight is here. We'll anchor it this side and then we'll come back.
She goes her own way, like I don't give a damn girl.
Walk it down just a little bit.
So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014, and I think that she knows it. And if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it, cause I know that you'd want her to.
Go over that corner and stop. And bring it back.
But missing out on the cut. I think she knows that. She drives him crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes him want it so bad. It's the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel.
Kind of just walking it back and forth, left and right, left and right. Kind of helps keep the composition. You don't overstretch in one direction.
On both her ankles, 21 pilot t-shirt, that's the stuff. Goddamn, she's so fly, knows how to write a good song, at least better than this. Cause if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it, cause I know that you'd want her to, yeah I do. Come on and give it a shot, but you'll be missing the cut. I think she knows that. She drives him crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes him want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Everyone's taking their shot, showing all that they got, but they'll be missing the cut. I think she knows that. She drives him crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes him want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Oh yeah.
I love it. I love these sandwich pours. They just give great cells. You get that white, but you also get all the other colors. You see the orange, the phthalo green, the greenish blue, the yellowish green, or greenish yellow. What is this color? I always say it wrong. Yellowish green. Very, very happy with this. Cells are still developing. I love the center. I'm loving this streak of white negative space there. I didn't get mud with the yellow and green mixing together, so that's great. I am going to clean up my edges, and then I'll bring you guys in. All right, here is the wet result. Loving this, really came out cool. Let me bring you in here. All right, we'll see you when this is dry. I'll be right back. All right, here is the dried result. I'm doing a night shot because I had to work today. Let me bring you in here. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I post new video content. Everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.